Okay, here we go. I might have mentioned this before. This is a 1890s house, and I thought the floor was fairly flat, so I got my cool little level thingy here. It's a 360-degree laser, a little Bosch unit, and it is pretty cool. But I'm just going to do a rough leveling, well, I should say measurement, of see how far the floor is out. And one thing about it, of course, it's not going to go through the chimney. You know, it can't. It's not that good of a laser, but you can see I got some red lines going there. But I'll be able to get to the corner, and I'll be able to do some kind of an idea how bad the floor is. I don't really think the floor is that bad. I walked across this floor many times, and it doesn't seem horrible. So I don't know what's going on, but let me get the camera set up. I'll get my my gauge set up. My well, it's a level with numbers on it. So I'll get that set up, and I'll show you what I'm up to here. So hold on one second. Okay, so I got the laser set up here, and you can see the nice red line here. So what I did is I just put a little Sharpie marker right there. So you can either use an inch or, on this it has inch or metric. I'll probably just use metric. So anyway, I got it pretty much zeroed out there. So if I go around the area here, I can see how the floor goes up and down. So let me pull back a little here. And it's not the best laser in the world. It's a little bit dim. But I can see here it's about, way back here it's only 10 feet away. It's about a half a millimeter out, or half a centimeter out, sorry. So it'll be about 5 millimeters. Here we got about, it's going down, so that means the floor is coming up. Here it's about an inch out over here. See it's about a half inch, but it's about an inch. I see about an inch. That's a little bit high over here. So let's go to the other corner. I'll readjust the camera. Here's another corner of the house, and it's about 1 centimeter low, so about that's about a half inch. So this area, it went up, so that means this is a little bit low here. So we're about a half inch out there. So over there we're about an inch high. Here we're about a half inch low. Let's go to the other corner of the house and check it out. And here we're in the far corner. We're about 16, 17 feet from the laser, and we are about 2 centimeters, or about 3/4 of an inch. Let's see, that would be up. This is about 3/4 of an inch higher than over there. So if you look at it, we got it was an inch high over there, 3/4 of an inch high here, about a half inch high, low there. I'll definitely get in here again, and what I do, I have grid paper, and I'll grid this out and map this out a little bit. But if you think of a house this old, if it's within an inch, I think we're doing pretty good. So, and it seems to be right around that area. So anyway, cool, cute little level. So my plan is to use that, and there's one beam going underneath this house. And I will, adjust, try to do a best fit, with that center joist, I should say, holding the middle of the house up. And see if we can get that as close as possible. I don't plan on putting tile floors in this. It's going to be floating floors. So what we have right now is not that bad. I can see there's some high spots here and there, but it's really not terrible. So anyway, let me know what you think. An old house like this, I think if I get it within an inch without messing with it, I'm good, but if I mess with it, I can probably get it better. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.